Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we had completed measurement chapter. Today, we will go to discuss a new chapter, that is time. That is time. Children, we are always using time in our daily life. Generally, to record and calculate time, we use clock. It is measures the clock. Time measures by clock. Time flows like a river. We can't stop time. It flows only forward, doesn't come back. Time is an important factor in our life. We should use time properly. Let us study how to read the time, how to understand the time. Show this video how to learn time. Get ready, children. Every clock has two thick needles. They know each hands of clock. The shorter hands indicate hours. It's called hours hand. The longer hand indicates minutes. It's called minutes hand. You look carefully. These are small lines in the clock. These are 5 equal lines between two numbers. The total number of such equal divisions in the clock is 60. Each time represents a minute. One full circle to the clock, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Look this clock. Here, hour hand at 4 and minute hand at 4 o'clock. Look this clock. Here, hour hand at 4 and minute hand at 12. Look this clock. Here, hours hand at 11, minutes hand at 1 after. So, time is 11:06. Look this clock. Minute hand complete one round, that is 60 minutes, 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 30 minutes, 12 to 6, 30 minutes, that is half an hour. Look here, children. Here, minutes hand at 12, hours hand at 4. Hours hand at 10, minutes hand at 3. 10, 15. These are called digital clocks. A digital clock show the time by digits. Look here, children. This is clock. This is how many hours is there in this clock? 12. This is hours hand. Shorter hand is hours hand. Longer hand is minutes hand. This is seconds. Seconds hand. When complete minutes hand one round, that is 1 hour. That is 1 hour. When complete hours hand 12 to 12, that is half day. It completes 2 times to the 12 to 12, that is full day. Full day is 24 hours. Full day is 24 hours. In the between two numbers, 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 1 to 2, 5 minutes. 5 lines is there in the between of these two numbers. 2 to 3, 5 minutes. 3 to 4, 5 minutes. Totally 12 5s are 60 minutes is there in this every clock. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Okay, dears, when it moves totally 12 to 12, that is 1 hour. Look here. Look here, children. Here, hours hand is in 9. Hours hand in after 9. 9 after. Just next minutes hand is in 6. So 6 5s are 30. Or 12 to 1 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If it is in a 6 is there in minutes hand, that is 30. If it is in 3 is there, that is 15. If it is in there in 9 minutes hand is there in 9, that is 45. So what's time now? Time is 9:30. 9:30. Now I will explain one more time. Look here. Here hour's hand is there in 10. Next, minutes hand. Minutes hand is there in 3. So 3 5s are 15. Now the time is 10:15. Okay? Time is 10:15. Next, hours hand only there in 10. Just move minutes hand 5. So 5 5s are how much? 25. Now time is 10:25. 10:25. Minutes hand, whatever number it may be in these all 12 numbers, multiply by 5. Okay? So 5 5s are 25. Now time is 10:25. Now look here, both hands is there in 12. So what's time now? 12 hours 60 minutes. So 12 only. Okay? Both hands in 12. That's why here time is exactly 12 o'clock. In this clock, hours hand in 2. Minutes hand in 12. So what's time now here? 2 o'clock. If it is 3 is there in minutes hand, 2:15. If it is 6 in there is in minutes hand, 2:30. If it is 9 is there in minutes hand, that is 2:45. Okay? Look here children. Here hours hand is there in 4. Minutes hand is there in 3. What's time? Now what's time? The time is 4. 3 5s are how much? 15. 4:15. Time is 4:15. This like we have to read time. Along this class I will send 4 pictures of clock. Note that time and send to me. Okay? Children, look here. Once again I will explain. This is hour's hand. 3 hands is there in this clock. Every clock has 3 hands. This is hour's hand. This is minutes hand. This is seconds hand. 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 12 to 1 between 5 minutes is there. And 12 to 12, 60 minutes. When it move forward 2 times in minutes, it move forward 2 times in hours, 1 day. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Okay? 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. This is minutes. Hours hand, long hand is minutes hand. This one is seconds hand. Dear children, everyone open your textbook, page number 125. Times chapter, unit 6, times chapter. Okay? Next, look here, you are given 3 clocks. Jyoti's watch, school's clock, Divya's clock. What time do each of these show? Here, what time is there? 8 is in hours hand, 2 is in minutes hand. So now time is 8:10. Here time is 8:10. 2 5s are 10, no? That's why 8:10. Next, this is digital clock. Digital clock knows times only numbers. So here already their time. Directly we have to write here 8:12. Okay? 8:12. Next, Divya's clock. This is Divya's clock. Hours hand is there in 8. Next, minutes hand is there 3. 3. 3 5s are how much? 15. So now time is here. Divya's clock 8. 15 after 1 needle is there now here 16. So time is 16. 8 16. In Divya's clock how much time is there here? 8 16. Here Jyoti's watch 8:10 and school's clock 8:12. Divya's clock 8:16. The difference in this between three clocks in minutes only. Okay. The school clock is showing the right time. Here this is only showing right time because this is digital clock now, showing right time. Look here, first one. Which clock is slow? Which clock is slow? Here 8:12 is correct time. 8:10 is in Jyoti's watch. Divya's watch is 8:16. Which is slow? 8:10. Whose? Jyoti's watch. Whose clock is slow? Jyoti. Jyoti's clock is slow. Next, by how much? 8 to 12 is there. Here 8 to 10 is there. So how much is lesser than this clock? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. 12 minus 10? 2 only, no? That's why. Which clock is faster? Actual time is 8:12. This clock is fast. 8:16. Divya's clock is fast. By how much? 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So, how much fast? 4 minutes is faster than the school clock. Divya's clock is 4 minutes fast than the school clock. Okay? Which clock is fast? Divya's. Divya clock is fast. Okay? Divya's clock is fast. By how much? 16 minus 12? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Next, read each clock and write the time. Read each clock and write the time. First one, hours hand is there in 12. Minutes hand is there 3. So what time is here? 12. 3 5s are 15. 12, 15. Here time is in this clock is 12:15. Look here. Hours hand is there. 3 after. 3 after is there in hours hand. Next minutes hand is there 6. 6 5s are how much? 30. So time is 3:30. 3:30. Here time is 3:30. Look here. In this clock, hours hand is there in 11. Minutes hand is there in 9. 9 5s are how much? 9 5s are 45. So 11, 45. Our quarter to 12 also correct. Okay? Quarter to 12. Next, fourth clock. Look here. Exactly 7 is there in hours hand. Minutes hand is there 12. So, what time is now here? 7. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Okay? Along this class, I will send 4 pics, time pics. Write the time, what time is there in that clocks, and send to me. Everyone must and should follow online classes. Send your homeworks regularly. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.